Some mushrooms glow in the dark. Yep, they're real. In quiet forests at night, certain fungi light up in ghostly green. It's called bioluminescence, the same natural magic as fireflies or deep-sea creatures. Scientists think these glowing caps might attract insects, helping spread their spores. What if mushrooms glowed in every color? Imagine walking through a forest where mushrooms blink like alien streetlights, flashing patterns to communicate, releasing glowing spores into the air like firefly glitter, turning the forest into a rainbow rave of nature. Real science meets unreal glow. This was the Curious Circuit. Keep questioning, keep sparking.